I'm here to talk about our app. It gives you unlimited streaming of all our videos, and we make sure there are no ads, no funny links and no suggested videos. Head to app.cosmickids.com.
There, now we're ready to begin, and let's have a look through our cosminoculars and find out who we're meeting today. Joining our thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Ooh, look at those colours and those patterns, all swirling and twirling around and around. Oh, can you see the picture? It's a squirrel! It's Nurse Squirrel. What's Nurse Squirrel doing? She's doing yoga. She's doing a rainbow pose. Oh, how lovely. Lowering our hands. We're off to see Nurse Squirrel at the animal hospital, which is why I'm wearing my squirrel uniform. And look, the sun is rising, so let's join in with it. We come all the way up to stand, reach our arms high, wave at the sun and say, "Hello, sun." Then we bend our knees a little bit as we fold all the way forwards to say to the earth, "Hello, earth." Now we step a leg all the way back to start our engines with a beep, beep. We step our other foot all the way back as well, drop down to our knees, lower to our tummies, untuck our toes, roll our shoulders back and wiggle on up like a little hissy snake. Wonderful. Now we tuck our toes, come back onto our hands and our knees and press our hips up to the sky to come into our dog pose. Woof, 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 woof. Now we reach a leg all the way up like a waggy tail and we put it between our hands to start our engines on the other side. Beep, beep. We step both feet together, wave at the earth and say, "Hello, earth." Then we roll all the way up to stand, reach up to the sky as we say, "Hello, sun." Wow, now we feel ready for anything. Let's get down to the animal hospital. Let's do a rainbow pose to honour all of them. Come on, up onto two knees, everyone. Arms wide. We take our leg to the side and drop down onto our hand, sweeping our top arm up and over, making the most beautiful rainbow we can. To say thank you to all of our doctors and nurses for staying so calm. Let's do our rainbow pose on the other side. What a busy, busy day we've had. And how brave we were to help so much today. It feels really good to help others, especially when we can help them feel better. And working here today at the animal hospital has taught us that we should treat others how we would wish to be treated, kindly, with care, with patience.